Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aisha Loves some Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I'm going to be unboxing the Macys Beauty Box for the month of February. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching! Alrighty guys, so I'm super excited to see what I got in this box for the month of February. Macys Beauty Box tends to be one of my favorite boxes on this channel to unbox because it's only $15. You can't really lose with a $15 box. Besides the Walmart beauty boxes, because that one used to be $5 and now it went up a little bit, but it's still like under $10. So though when you have boxes like that, like you barely pay any money for it, it's like beggars can't be choosers, and you actually get good stuff in these boxes. So I'm super excited to see what I got in this box. If you're new to my channel, before I get into the unboxing, as always, I just want to introduce myself to anyone new who just happened to stumble upon my channel. So my name is Aisha. Hi. Hi. I love all things makeup related. If you ever want to try like a makeup subscription box and you're not sure which one to get, I would say my channel will be perfect for you because I do a lot of unboxings on many different types of makeup subscription boxes on my channel, but I only do the ones that I honestly do enjoy. There are tons of them, but I'm not going to ever show anything on my channel that I do not like, and I like this subscription box a lot. I like it a lot. So we're going to see what we got this month. If you do like things like this, like beauty content related stuff, I would say subscribe to my YouTube channel and become a part of my YouTube family. It will be greatly appreciated. If you do subscribe, just make sure you hit that notification bell so you can see each and every time I upload a new video. Alrighty, let's dig in. Alright guys, so this is your sneak peek at what's in the box. And now we're going to dig in. So they always give you like a card, and then they give you like a little coupon, $5 off your next $20 purchase. And then they talk about the items in the box. So the box was really heavy this month, and I'm like, what is in this box? And it looks like they gave us the Lemon and Berries Micellar Cleansing Water. And I actually do use Urban Hydration toners. I use the apple and banana. Like, I love this. Smells so good, guys. This is like my second bottle of this. It smells absolutely divine. So I never tried another flavor though, because I just love apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Kudos for anyone who knows where that song is from. But anyway, this one is lemons and berries. So I want to smell this to see what this smells like. It is sealed, which is good. Okay, I can definitely smell the lemon scent to this. But I don't smell no berries. But I'll still use it, but I don't know if I want my face to smell like lemons. It's not really like a scent you want to really smell on your face. But I'm going to use it, so I won't be needing any micellar water. Well, this one says cleansing water, and this one says micellar water. So I have to try it out. But very excited to get this. I love the bag that they gave us. It says Love, and it has all different shade range for Love. This is the bag out the plastic. The bag looks pretty big and sturdy. Then we got some goodies in tissue paper. So it looks like we have a hydration mask by Lovina? No idea how to pronounce that, but this is what she looks like. I don't think the words are showing on camera. Let's see. Do they tell you about the item? Let's see. Okay, so that must have been something as a replacement because it's not on... Oh, actually, it's on this here. On the front, but I don't see it. Where is it? Oh, yes, here we go. It says it's a cell hydration mask. My skin is oily, so I'm probably going to give this away. I do think it's cool that the mask looks like it's blue. And in the front picture, it looks blue as well. And it's right there. But I may still just give this away because I don't need any hydration to my skin. So the next thing I got is a curly cream for... My hair's not like that curly. But I mean, I'll try it out anyway. Because it says it defines the hair. Smells like ginger a little bit. Oh, and now I just read it says ginger, turnip, and carrot. So I'll try this out. The next thing I got is coconut and melon Shea body cream. My skin is so dry, guys. Like, it doesn't matter how much stuff I put on my skin, it's always dry. So I can never have too much body lotion or cream. Let's smell it. Ooh, it smells very nice. I didn't put it on my hands because I put lotion on before I started filming. But this smells very well. Oh, very nice. I'm going to use this up very fast. Very, very fast. It feels very rich. It's like very rich. Oh, and it says rich Shea cream. Shea body cream. It really is rich. I love, love, love this body cream. Oh, I'm super excited for this. Super, super excited for this. You could smell like the melon in it. And the coconut. So, very excited for this. The next thing I got is something in this little packaging. Normally they give fragrances. They didn't give any fragrances this time around. But that's fine because you guys know, if you watch my channel, you know I have too many fragrances. I'll link my fragrance channel, my fragrance collection video down below. So you guys can have an idea of how much I love fragrances. So what is this? This is Rose Water Toner from the brand Butter. Rose Water, but it's... I guess it's like a... Oh, that's why it's a toner. I was thinking of like a rose spray, but it's a toner. I like that you could just pump it onto like a cotton round as opposed to pouring. Because sometimes when you pour, you waste too much. So everything here I would use. The only thing I'm going to probably just give away with a bunch of stuff from my next giveaway is the moisturizing mask. Because like I said, my skin is oily. But I mean, I loved everything else. Loved everything else. This is everything that I received minus the mask. So for $15, you can't go wrong. You really cannot go wrong with this box. What did you guys think about this box? Let me know in the comments down below. That's really about it, guys. So before you guys leave my channel, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys all in my next